In this video, I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. Take the SIM eject tool that came included in the box. If you don't have one, take a paper clip or a needle. Go on the left side of your phone, find the hole and insert the tool. Now press gently until the tray pops out. Okay, it popped. Take out the tray, and as you notice, I have already inserted an SD card on this tray, a micro SD card. Take your SIM card and you're going to notice one of the corner is not 90 degrees. It has been cutted. You see, the lower right corner. Your SD card has the same shape. So one of the corner is not 90 degrees, it's cutted. Take your SD card, take your SIM card and simply place it in the same position as the cutout. Now it's a bit hard to do it on my hand, I'll acknowledge this. So put the tray on a table, hold the tray and with the other hand place the SIM card and gently push. Perfect. Now the SIM card is in the tray. Place this back, push, make sure it's tight, and this is about it. In a few seconds you should get your SIM card recognized, it should work, and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.